exercising from your desk chair is a poor substitute for exercising. Okay, we need to exercise. Everyone is looking for a cheat, you know, and everyone wants to buy a little exercise thing that, well, I can ride a bicycle while I'm typing. It doesn't work that way. Exercise both rejuvenates our body, but it also rejuvenates our mind. And you need to have that time out in order to get better. And if you don't think you can do that, it's unlikely you'll have the patience to get better, and you should stop lying to yourself today and just say, I have to take time out to get better. Not that being said, we live in jobs where you may be a phone operator who in essence is stuck looking at a computer screen all day long. Customer service representative, people dealing with any walk of life today are stuck at computers. And when you do that, our body again resets itself by motion. And so you have to take time out on a very periodic basis to do that. But what you want to do is exhibit a full range of motion of your spine as often as you can. So in your neck, it's rotating from side to side, bending from side to side, extension and flexion. In your back, it's hyperextending your back and arching it as much as you can, sliding down in your chair, bending forward, like touching your toes or your knees and getting as far forward as you can, rotating from side to side, stretching. All those activities, if you are sitting in a car for a long car ride and you're getting tired and you're trying not to fall asleep in your car, well, you end up touching and reaching and stretching, trying to move yourself around, and you have to do that same thing in your chair. Some people call it chair yoga, but it all works. You just have to move. And so I recommend people get up on a periodic time and walk around and stretch and sit back down, but you have to move. Movement is part of what a normal life is, and it's not, we weren't built to sit in front of a computer screen all day long.